okay.
Well,
You're like me, still rocking the shorts, bro.
I know.
As
I
long
went
as
to
you-
breakfast and I was like,
As long as
there's
you
a
can.
wait. I was like, no, I'm waiting in my car.
And then it's like, then you finally, like I try to wear the sandals as long as I can. My
Yeah.
slides, I like to wear them as long as I can. And then finally they come to a point where it's like, all right, too cold.
I was just gonna wear my Uggs anyway. Keep my feet warm. You guys didn't come to an agreement yet?
Huh?
Anything finalized or no?
No, but I for sure got a deal. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it gonna be the one here though? Or are they
Well,
gonna extend it?
they pushed it back.
I
Yeah.
figured.
They're gonna push it. I figured they were too. They
Beginning
were
of the
they
year?
they didn't have enough planning. They didn't plan enough. Whatever. I don't know what kind of. They kind of played it off like they had some problems in New Mexico, but I know that ain't it.
Yeah, no way.
They just didn't plan correctly. They don't know what they want to do with me. If they want to have me fight Perry, if they want to have me fight just a regular guy. I don't know. They know what they want to do. We'll see. Still gonna fight though, but right now, hot yoga. I need the hot yoga healing, bro. I gotta get into yoga mode.
I was gonna do it, but I'm done.
Yeah. You don't have
Too busy.
Yeah.
Anyways.
There's no need, you know. There's no need to, unless you just wanted to do it for fun, you know.
I was still signed with Top Rank, and then they kept trying to give me fucking killers, bro. Like,
That's crazy.
last minute too. I'm like, if I'm on contract with you guys, at least give me 6 weeks.
Yeah,
not
they
2 weeks.
can't do that.
They're giving me straight killers too.
Yeah.
Right on the undercard, right before the main card of Canelo cards, and these dudes are animals.
Yeah.
Young killers.
You do
We're
good.
still killers, but we're not young.
You do good in BKFC too, though, because it's different. It's a different sport, and
I just didn't know if they
it's
would.
shorter rounds, and it's easy, bro. You just gotta be able to learn defense a little more, you know. Can't be just so offensive
I don't know if
minded.
my hand would hold up. I'll break my hand every time.
Oh yeah.
That's
You
what
gotta-
I was worried about.
You gotta learn how to hit too, like without wraps, you know. I've been doing it for 2 years. I showed him the protocols, the planks that I do, knuckle planks, front of the wrist. Still my foot wrist is still giving me shit. I'm gonna do the rice.
Yeah. Well, Mama D stuff.
Yeah. I'm actually gonna have Mama D do some training with me. I like Mama D.
I did too.
The pool, she's good at the pool workouts.
Brutal.
I like Mama D.
Yeah, she's cool. She always comes to my office.
But you know how it is. It's hard being a fighter when you have kids and shit, you know? It's like, you gotta like schedule, unless you have help, then you can do it, you know?
Yeah.
Like right now, my girl, she's helping me a lot too, so with Deja.
You gotta have someone that supports you the right way.
You know?
Yeah. Bouquet was trying to get unemployment and stuff off of us.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, we were because of the whole COVID thing.
Yeah.
But we were still considered essential, so
Yeah.
no one got fired, no one got laid off, nothing. It just didn't want to come. Bro, you quit. You didn't.
Well, yeah.
You're not getting unemployment. You're tripping.
That makes sense. He was trying to scam the system.
Yeah, that's all it was. Just trying to scam the system. You know, and food and nice stuff.
Didn't the government stop giving that money?
I have no idea. I never played any part of it. So looked into it. We worked all the way through it.
That's what my friend that manages the Reliable Nissan.
Yeah.
He's like, I can't get no one to work. He said they'd rather just get their, they'd rather just take their check.
Yeah, bro. Crazy.
People don't want to work now.
And Kelly, is your name Kelly or is it your
Kelly.
son? Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know he'll be up. And then D, I'm squeezing you in right after Kelly.
That's fine.
It's called the bouquet fade.
That's
That one will change the game, but this one's a summer haircut from what
What'd you do? The top two?
Yeah.
I used to do 0-3 back in the day.
the 2-0. But it's you gotta come twice a week.
Yeah,
Can
no,
you
that's
take a
what I
picture with you before
Of
you
course.
I
Yeah.
told him, do you know who that is?
It's a fun haircut though, you know why? You don't have to comb your hair.
That's right.
Wake out of bed, well, jump out of bed,
Look
ready.
good.
With having such a good barber like TJ, I don't think I'll ever go out again.
I was gonna ask, how did Jason find you? His dad made this appointment and asked me to bring him, and I'm like, you guys are like a hidden gem.
Yeah, it's you know what it is? It's the salon name because it has the men's salon. It's probably the only really men's salon in Albuquerque, right?
Yeah, still the men's salon
Oh,
over
Still
here.
Blades men's salon. Okay,
It's like the only other competitor.
but still.
How old are you?
There's no-
He's been cutting my hair since I was 12 years old, actually.
No
It's
way.
crazy.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah.
He's painted the last place we took him to. That's why he looks the way he does. He doesn't want to get his hair cut because he's scared they're gonna.
You show him a
Oh, I
picture,
got
something
you,
you
dude.
want.
Yeah, he has one.
Yeah.
Man, TJ's the best.
I can't wait till he sees that vision. I was like, weird. Mom did something right. I was like, wow, I put that on everything. And I built this place because of that. I put that on everything. It was really because of all the shitty haircuts I got as a kid. I was like, I gotta have something that, you know, where these kids can go and we actually care. It isn't gonna be like, oh, get in and get out. It's like, oh, no. It's like, no, sit down and get the best haircut in Albuquerque is what it is. Albuquerque, you can have an exclusive spot too. That's whatever that. We should be buying that gym next door though. My homie's over there too. We should at least be doing something with, unless you guys already have one. But I told you I would. I'd buy the gym. I don't know without a doubt. Well, we should learn everything.
Hey, what do you know about, is it Ados? Like, Gracie? It's...
Oh, there's a different Gracie in town now, or
No, it's not Gracie, it's Ados or something like that. Something like that.
No,
It's
I don't
another
know
big
about
one.
it.
It's
I
not
haven't heard it.
Gracie, but they're supposed to be coming.
There's a new gym in town.
No, they're trying to get them over here from Brazil.
What? They're trying to get food.
Yeah.
A different type of. What are you talking about?
It's like Gracie, but it's a different Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
And look, just to tell you.
What's it called?
I think they said
That's Donald up there.
Ados
Just so you know
or
what it is,
Ethos or something like that. I don't know. It's something big.
They're gonna try to come to Albuquerque.
Yeah.
What with Barata or what?
I don't know. Maybe because.
Because what happened with Barata, you know?
That's messed up though, huh? How he did it.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the real story, man. You know.
They didn't want. They booted him after he got.
I know, but no one knows the real story. I don't know.
When you walked up.
Yeah, they dropped it, but when there's a video of you, you know, then that's kind of like.
Yeah, but did the video ever air?
I don't know. See, but I don't know the I don't know the inside to the at Gracie Park, but I do know this.
Sorry,
My cousin Mike Sanchez is training there, and he said that everybody over there is all sensitive about it. Like, don't talk about it. Like, it's like they're all hurt. Their feelings are all hurt about it.
Yeah.
And then
I'll find out what the name of it is, and then I'll
yeah, tell me.
I can't remember the name.
Huh?
But it's funny.
Oh yeah, let me get a pic with little man.
Too bad Kelly didn't have a haircut like you.
Oh, look at this little champion right here. Built sturdy.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate
What's
it.
her name?
Kelly?
Nice to meet you, Kelly. You got a bright future ahead of you.